Hello and welcome to the tribe. My name is Jay. In this video I'm going to tell you all about Tribal Moon Cacao and the magic of ceremonial grade cacao. I've also made a 10-part free course for you. This course covers everything from how to run a ceremony to how to cook and prepare food with cacao, everything from slices to bliss balls to smoothies to, of course, ceremonial cacao recipes. This course also covers a whole lot of details about the benefits of cacao for anxiety and depression, all the things it's known for, as well as tuning in with yourself, higher purpose manifestation, tuning in with your beloved, tuning into meditation, all these incredible things that cacao can help you with. So if you haven't already, feel free to sign up to our mailing list and you'll get the 10-part course emailed straight to your inbox. Subscribe, please leave a comment and enjoy the video. Our medicine is known as a heart opener. So every day I receive profound messages from people all around the world with these incredible shifts that are taking place in their lives. Now the shifts can be career-based or health-based or around things like depression and anxiety and the changes that they're receiving. I get so many messages from couples and from lovers around the world saying things that I can't probably share in this little video, but the effects are very profound too, so I highly recommend to try it with your beloved. And for the kids, like, they absolutely love it. I literally get messages from kids saying, man, this is so much better than chocolate, and mums and dads thanking us all the time for supplying this alternative that they can feed their children, as much as they want. It's great for their teeth, it's great for their skin, it's great for their health, it's great for their well-being. Tribal Moon Cacao is built on a new paradigm of business, a paradigm shaped around how much can you give back, how much can you help other people, how best can you represent yourself to assist the next person on their mission, and so on, raising that vibration and sending that positive, full power ripple out to all of humanity. A standard dosage of our medicine is 42.5 grams officially. 40 to 45 grams is really a ceremonial dose, and that is very strong. Often in the mornings I'll have like 20 grams in my morning smoothie, or if I'm making some bliss balls or vegan slices or some chocolate ice cream or something like that, I'll use sometimes a smaller dosage, because if you're having that quantity all the time of like 40 to 45 grams, it's very strong. But that is a ceremonial dosage, and a ceremonial dosage will increase your heart rate quite dramatically, up to about 20%, and you'll feel that beautiful warm fuzzy buzz all throughout your skin and that incredible heart opening effect. Through my background as a chef and a sound healer and a ceremonialist, I'd been running ceremony around the world for many years, and I just wasn't happy with the quality of the ceremonial grade cacao that I was able to get. The intention behind creating Tribal Moon Cacao was to create the strongest, the smoothest, the most luscious and luxurious, silky smooth medicine available in the world today, and I believe that's exactly what we've achieved. I guess with the heart-opening capacity of our medicine, the beauty to open your heart, to shift your story. So the principle being that throughout life we have these experiences, that then we create stories in our minds and in our hearts, and our egos can validate on so many levels. Tribal Moon Cacao has the ability, I believe, and thousands of others believe, that it has an ability to open your heart, to be able to shift things in profound ways, to see things, to see old experiences and old stories in new ways, to let go of these things that no longer served, to move forward in full power on your mission. Again, not just on your mission, but how much of an incredible representation of self can you be to assist other people on their mission. The seed for Tribal Moon Cacao was planted about 12 years ago from a chance meeting at the back of a surf break Salsa Brava in Costa Rica. It was on this fateful day that I met an incredible human who came from a family in Peru, in the far northwest of Peru, and his family had been creating this incredible cacao for many years. We give back almost 100% of our profits to the 3 environmental organizations we work with. And we also donate the rest back to our affiliates, which we're extremely proud of. We have incredible conscious creators around the world that we work with. All of our affiliates are, a lot of them are ceremonialists, a lot of them are men and women's work facilitators, really doing the work. It's incredible stuff. Not only that, we have, yogis, chefs, we have architects, businessmen, businesswomen using our medicine to really tune in and focus on what it is that they're here to do. It's really popular with kids, super popular with, the health freaks, the super mums and super dads, really raising their vibration with their diet and wanting to have the purest medicine that they can in their family. And as an alternative to, chocolate or cocoa or cacao or whatever you want to call it, this medicine is unbelievable. There's over 1,200 active ingredients in our cacao, all of which is already found, or most of it is already found within the human body makeup. So you can almost see it like a reset to your natural way of being, a reset to, your highest version of yourself. And these days, with the Western diet being what it is, it's really a potent medicine to assist you on your mission and, again, assisting others. So over many years of fine-tuning the blend of this medicine simply with sun and wind and soil and rain, Tribal Moon Cacao was created to be this incredible iconic name in ceremonial grade cacao around the world. Things like depression and anxiety as well. Again, this is just going from the messages that I am so blessed to receive, but the profound shift that people are having as using our cacao medicine as an alternative to some of the pharmaceutical drugs that they've been on for years is profound. So just blessed to share our medicine. Thank you so much, and hope you enjoy.